In this video, I'll show you how to connect your RevenueHunt quiz to Klaviyo using open authentication, send leads to a list or segment, and how to send personalized follow-up emails after someone completes your quiz. Before connecting, make sure your quiz collects email addresses. Open your quiz in the RevenueHunt Quiz Builder and check for an email question block. If there isn't one, click Add Question and select email address from the question types. You can also add it to an existing slide using the Add Block menu. Optionally, you can add a marketing consent checkbox directly below the email field. To connect your account to Klaviyo, open Quiz Settings, go to the Integrations tab, scroll down to Klaviyo, and click Connect. You'll be redirected to an authentication page. Log in or select your Klaviyo account and click Allow to grant access. Once authenticated, you'll be redirected back to Quiz Settings, where Klaviyo will now show a connected badge. Connecting Klaviyo via oAuth links your entire RevenueHunt account, so all quizzes in that account will gain the option to send leads to Klaviyo Profiles. This does not happen automatically for each quiz. You need to enable it individually per quiz. For each quiz you want to send data from, open that quiz's settings, find the Klaviyo section, and check the Send Quiz Leads to Klaviyo Profiles checkbox. Then save your changes. If you ever want to stop data from a specific quiz flowing to Klaviyo, simply uncheck that checkbox and save. You do not need to disconnect Klaviyo entirely. To add quiz takers to a specific Klaviyo list, open the Quiz Builder and click on the Email question block to open its settings. Under the Klaviyo List drop-down, select the list you want, set the subscription status, and save your changes. If you have multiple quizzes and want each to feed a different list, go into the Email question block of each quiz individually and select the appropriate list there. To test the connection, preview your quiz, complete it with a test name and email, and submit through to the results page. Go to Klaviyo, open Audience Profiles and search for your test email. It may take a moment to appear, so refresh the page if needed. You should see the new profile with custom quiz properties attached such as quiz answers and recommended products. If you selected a list, go to Lists and Segments and open that list to confirm the contact was added as subscribed. To organize quiz takers in Klaviyo, you can create a segment based on a custom property all or some quiz takers share, such as Answers by Block. Copy that property name, then go to Lists and Segments in Klaviyo and click Create Segment. Name it. Set the condition to Properties about someone, paste in the property you copied, and define it as set. Click Create Segment to save it. Anyone who completes the quiz will be added automatically. Now let's set up an automated flow to send quiz results by email. Go to Flows and create a new flow from scratch. You can trigger it when a user enters your quiz taker segment, or alternatively, trigger it when a contact is added to a specific Klaviyo list. Select a segment and set the re-entry criteria to allow re-entry. This way, quiz takers will receive an email every time they complete the quiz. If you collected marketing consent in the quiz, add a profile property update step at the start of the flow. Set the property name to Accepts Marketing and the value to True, so Klaviyo registers that this user agreed to receive emails. Below that, add an email action. Give it a subject line and either choose an existing template or create a new one. To display personalized quiz results inside the email, add an HTML block to your template. Then go back to RevenueHunt, open Quiz Settings, Go to Integrations, find Klaviyo, and copy the sample HTML template code provided there. Paste that code into the HTML block in your Klaviyo template. Preview the email using your test profile to see how the quiz answers, recommended products, and results page will appear to the recipient. You can remove sections of the code you don't need and restyle it to match your branding. If you need help, you can ask our quiz Copilot to help you style the Klaviyo email template. Make sure to set your flow to live and review all steps before finalizing. If you just want to disconnect one quiz, simply uncheck the Send Quiz Leads checkmark in that specific quiz's settings and save the changes. To disconnect Klaviyo from your account, go to Quiz Settings, open the Integrations tab, scroll to Klaviyo, and click Disconnect. Confirm the action and the changes will save automatically. No more quiz data will flow to Klaviyo from any quiz in the account. To learn more, visit our help center at docs.revenuehunt.com.